Imagine you're baking a cake. You've got all the ingredients, flour, butter, eggs, but what if just one thing, like sugar, is out of proportion? Even though it looks perfect, it won't taste right. That's exactly how IELTS essays work. Even if your grammar or vocabulary is strong, if one key element is missing, your essay just doesn't taste Band 7+. So today, let's learn the 5 essential ingredients every successful IELTS essay must have. Just like a cake needs sugar, flour, and butter in the right balance, a Band 7+ essay needs 5 elements working together. First is paraphrasing, second one is idea generation, third in the list is topic sentence. Fourth element we should know about is explanation. Fifth and last one is example. Master these 5 and your essay becomes naturally structured, logical, and impressive to the examiner. The first ingredient is paraphrasing the question. It's your very first sentence and your first impression. There are over 10 different ways to paraphrase effectively. You can reorder words, use synonyms, change the form of the word, use antonyms or opposite expressions, apply phrasal verbs, or even change the voice, active to passive or vice versa. Remember, paraphrasing is not about rewriting mechanically, it's about showing language flexibility. Next comes idea generation, the foundation of your essay. When you get a topic, your brain should instantly start exploring it from different angles. Try these creative methods. The coffee shop method. Imagine you're discussing the topic casually with a friend. Think from the opposite gender's viewpoint. Think like someone from another country, or analyze from various lenses: social, financial, political, environmental, and educational. Remember that the smore. The wider your thought base, the richer your essay becomes. Once your ideas are ready, your paragraph begins with a topic sentence. It's like a headline. It tells the reader what the paragraph is about. A weak topic sentence looks like this: there are many reasons why people delay marriage. A strong one looks like this: many individuals delay marriage today to focus on career advancement and financial stability. Notice the clarity and direction. It tells the examiner exactly what the paragraph will explain next. So far, we've learned how to generate ideas and build clear topic sentences. But here's where most students lose marks. They don't explain their ideas properly. Let's see how to expand your points naturally using the right logic. The next element is explanation. Once you have your idea, expand it logically by asking how and why questions. For example, topic sentence: people delay parenthood due to career goals. Ask why, because they want professional stability first. Ask how, by spending their 20s gaining promotions and financial security. These small expansions make your paragraph sound natural and logical. Use connectors like because, therefore, which means, as a result, to make your explanation flow smoothly. Finally, your paragraph needs a realistic example. Avoid vague lines like, for example, many people do this nowadays. Instead, be specific. For instance, in Japan, a 2022 survey by Nikkei showed that over 60% of working women preferred to have children after the age of 30 due to job security. See the difference? You've mentioned the country, a credible source, and data that instantly boosts your task response. So let's quickly recap. The 5 key ingredients of a high-band IELTS essay are paraphrase, idea generation, topic sentence, explanation, and example. When these work together in the right proportion, your essay tastes perfect. That's all from today's lecture from your favorite channel, Learn IELTS with Hasib Patel. In my next video, I'll show you how to apply these 5 elements in an agree-disagree essay, step by step. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell icon,